Hi everybody, this is Miss Liang. So I'm at school right now. It is back to school night, and I know that not everybody can make it, so I made this short video so that you can learn a little bit more about our class. So welcome to 1-309. I am Miss Shirley Liang. That's me, just in case you don't know what I look like. So I have 3 fur babies. I talk about my pets a lot, so just in case you're wondering what your kids are talking about, now you know. So that's me and my dog, Buffy. Buffy is a pit bull mix. We adopted her. I have 2 guinea pigs. Unfortunately, Magneto, the golden one over here, passed away this summer. This is Xavier, and this one's Spider Pig. He's the youngest one. And this is a photo of my family. That's my mom and my dad. My mom is a nanny, a babysitter, and my dad is retired now. He used to drive a yellow taxi cab for over about 30 years. My little brother Sam is a high school teacher. He teaches math at Bronx Science. This is my grandma and grandpa, my mom's parents, and they took care of me and my younger siblings when we were younger. That's me. And that's my little sister Stephanie, and she is a pharmacist in the Bronx. So, just some basic information about our structures in school. We teach students how to be independent. Ideally, learners do not need a grown up or a teacher to tell them what they need to do because after we go over everything, there's usually something that the learners can look at to remember what they need to do. So we want to teach students how to be independent. We want to teach them different strategies that they can use to think or to figure out what they need to do if they need help. This leads into how they self-monitor themselves, how they're checking to make sure that they are ready themselves and that they are doing what they need to do. So once we get started into later on in the year, your students, your learners will be doing a lot more independent work. So it's important that they're checking to make sure that they are doing the things that they are supposed to do. Please make sure that any toys stay at home or inside the backpack. I've noticed that whenever learners bring toys to school, they get really distracted. So please leave it at home. If I see a toy and after the learner gets a reminder that it is supposed to be inside the backpack, I will take it. And then, however, once you meet with me as a grown-up and you remind me, I will return it back to you. Please remind me because a lot of times I will forget. Homework should be done at home or during after school. We do not give a lot of homework in first grade because we want you to be able to spend more quality time with your child. This doesn't have to be expensive. It can be things around the house that you do just so that they can be a little bit more involved in your lives. Or you can go around and just take walks in the park. So these are just the different things that you can do in the neighborhood. For example, you can go to the supermarket. Maybe you can try a different supermarket. You can spend some time looking at the flyers to see what's on sale. Talk about what's on your mind when you're spending time with your child. Please be sure to check the blue folder every single day just to see if there are any important notices or papers that need to be checked. And if possible, please empty it out. Please be sure to put your child's name on their water bottle. Your child's backpack should have their name on it as well. If not, we will shortly be giving your child a backpack tag as well. So expectations. So in our class, I expect learners to be safe with their own bodies and to other people as well. I expect learners to do their own work. I expect learners to take care of themselves. A lot of times, learners might be spending more time looking to see what other people are doing instead of doing their own work. So let's just make sure that we're taking care of ourselves and our own needs. So lunch or snack should be labeled with their name and class. If you bring lunch, please make sure that it is in a lunch bag or a box. And snack, especially for after school, stays inside the backpack. Please help your child understand the difference between lunch and snack. Typically, lunch is a little bit meatier and will help your child stay full a little bit longer. So let's just make that clear to them so that when they go to after school, they have the snack that they would like to eat. And please give healthy foods. Please avoid any chips or cookies and instead try to pack some more fruit or some vegetables. So during the school year, we will have a number of trips. Please put everything inside an envelope, including the permission slip and all the cash. Please write your child's name, the class number, and the trip money. So later on in the year, I will give everyone a mailbox number as well. In our class, we have a Scholastic account, so you can order books online. And when you order books online, and if you order $25 or more, when you check out and use the coupon code READS, you can pick another book that is $5 or less for free. So be sure to do that. If you need any help creating an account on Scholastic, you can come see me and I can help you with that as well. So there is another video on YouTube about how you can create your account. So as a school, we have a subscription to Raz Kids. You can go to the Raz Kids website. They will ask you for the teacher username. My username is sliang1. It looks like this. And then your child's login information is inside their folder. And the password is the 2-digit version of the month and 2-digit version of their day. So for example, my birthday is December 23rd, so my password will be 1223. Over here, this is just a link for you to see my YouTube page. There will be some information on there, for example, stuff about Scholastic book order. I will also put up videos about the homework throughout the year on our YouTube. And lastly, here is some contact information for me. Over here, this is our class blog. You can find me on Remind. Send the number 81010 and at Miss Liang244 for Remind. Here is my email address. Over here is my Donors Choose website, and over here is our YouTube video. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you!